This is the electrode, like 4 millimeter. This is the first electrode. And the real current is 187 or 809. The display. Okay, now let's start the second one. Like what you said, is non-stop. So we have changed the electrode. And you can clearly see the performance is very stable. Okay, we have finished the second electrode. Now you can clearly see the performance and the results. It's very stable performance. Okay, now we started the third one. Okay, now we have finished the third electrodes, and you can see the machine's performance is very stable.